Hello, this is Denny with Vertx. Today we're going to talk about our S.O.C.P rigid insert. Our S.O.C.P rigid insert was developed in collaboration with Greg Thompson, the founder of the S.O.C.P program for the U.S. military. The concept behind this was to be able to deploy your equipment the way you want to in whatever situation you might be in. So you'll see we built this to be able to accommodate MOLLE, any of the MOLLE accessories that you might have, or if you want to get some shock cord, you can run shock cord through it as well and to be able to attach things securely. So in this case I'm running medical on this side, and I've also got a weapons system on this side. It also comes with these Velcro clips that attach to the bottom that allow you to anchor the insert into any bag that you might have. In this case, the gamut checkpoint. You'll see that it anchors in here. Now, if I want to take that and change to something like a string bag, I can do that as well, or anything else that I need to get into a low-vis platform. Also, I can run it on a headrest of a vehicle. If I'm a lady and I want to cut it down, I can do that and then put this insert into a purse. So that allows you to set your kit up exactly the way you want to in the purse that you want to carry. So the S.O.C.P rigid insert is very diverse in its abilities to hold all your equipment, but allow you to deploy it the same way every time the way you train on it. You can find the S.O.C.P rigid insert at any of our dealers or online at vertx.com.